Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we'll show you how to remove your credit card from Amazon. The process is simple and easy. First, you'll have to go and open your account and log in into your Amazon. Then you should hover over the account section on the top right side right here. Then choose the option account. Once you choose account, it will show you here this page. Now go and click on your payments. Then you will have to sign in using your password. They just do this step in order to make sure that you are the owner of this account. Then it will redirect you to this page. Now you will have to click on this arrow right here in order to show all your data of your card. So click on this arrow. Then here you will have to click on remove in order to remove your card from Amazon. After that, it will show you here this confirmation message. Just click on confirm remove, and here you will see this successful message saying that the payment method has been successfully removed. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a comment, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.